Today we're going to talk about when sex hurts after you've had a baby. When you have a baby, your pelvic floor muscles have been through a big exercise, probably bigger than anything they've ever done before. So they've had a big stretch as you deliver your baby. That's very similar to when you may have experienced injuries previously if you're an exerciser, where you may have pulled muscles, you may have sprained joints, and there's always a little bit of swelling and there's a bit of pain that goes with those things. That's what you will experience straight after you've had your baby. And that requires time for that to heal. So in those first few weeks after you've had a baby, it's common for it to be very tender and sex may not be comfortable. As time goes past, then sometimes you're a little bit scared because you have been so sore in that area that you may find that you're apprehensive about recommencing intercourse. Your partner's probably equally apprehensive because they don't want to hurt you either. And because everyone's feeling a little bit apprehensive about everything, they're going to be hard to lubricate and you might be a little bit tense. Ways that you can get around this is trying to find a time where you're both feeling a bit more relaxed. So it might be on a weekend, it might be in the middle of the afternoon, rather than waiting till the evening when everybody's tired. You want to make sure that you're using good lubrication. When you're breastfeeding a baby in those months after you've delivered, your estrogen levels are low, and that means that you don't actually lubricate as well as you normally would. You're also tired and you might be in a bit of a rush because you're trying to squeeze this in between your baby's sleeping times, and that means that again you're not taking the time to lubricate well. Using some artificial lubricant or even just some oil can really make things a lot more comfortable. Taking your time, if you have time, with your partner and just enjoying the fact that you are actually able to recommence your intimate life aside from being a mum. It's important to remember that if you're anticipating that this might hurt, your pelvic floor muscles tend to try and contract and hang on and protect you. So trying to relax in your mind and feel comfortable that this is going to be okay is important. Majority of time it is okay, so long as you do use some lubricant and you take your time and don't rush it.